You can earn $2,100 every month by creating a YouTube channel and publishing pigment mixing videos. Just take a look at these videos. They're getting millions of views, and every single one of them was created using AI. Check out this video right here. I created it in barely 2 minutes, and it looks almost completely real. If you want to create videos just like this, all you have to do is watch this tutorial all the way to the end. Let's get started. First, we're going to open the link in the pinned comment to get the pigment mixing prompt. During this video, the password will appear right here on the screen, so make sure you watch carefully if you want to unlock it. I'm going to enter the password, then click Submit. As soon as we do that, the prompt link will appear right here. We'll click on it, wait for the page to load completely, then click Copy Master Prompt. And now, let's head over to ChatGPT. Paste the prompt right here and let the magic happen. In just a few seconds, the AI will generate 10 different ideas. All we need to do is choose one, and I'm going to pick idea number 1. I'll simply type the number 1 and hit Send. Once it's finished, ChatGPT will automatically generate 2 scenes for us. Now for the real action. First, copy the image prompt and head over to the Google Flow website. Click on New Project, wait for the page to load, then choose Image and set the aspect ratio to 9:16. Select X1 and choose the Nano Banana 2 model. Now, paste your prompt into the box and hit Send. Once the image is generated, go back to ChatGPT and copy the first video prompt. Return to the Flow website, click here, select Video, then choose Frames. Set the ratio to 9:16, the speed to X1, choose the Omni Flash model, and set the duration to 8 seconds. Next, click on the generated image, select Animate, paste the prompt, and click Send. After the first video finishes, go to the very last frame and click Save Frame to keep the animation perfectly seamless with 0 cuts. Then, head back to ChatGPT, copy Video Prompt 2, return to Flow, click on the last saved frame, choose Animate, paste the prompt, and hit Send. Now the secrets behind these pigment mixing videos are yours. Good luck!